Today, we witnessed the second edition of the Africa Blue Economy Week 2025, coming from the maiden edition of last year. I think there's been a lot of improvement from last year in terms of participation, engagement from member states and the regional economic communities. We've also had these sessions now that cover more on the monitoring and reporting of the blue economy, where we saw the presentation of the Blue Economy Dashboard, and that got very good feedback from the audience, which we'll take forward. And we also saw an engagement with the financing sector, which we also find very useful. Otherwise, from the AUC side, we are happy this is going very well, and we look forward to day 2. Thank you.
Day 1 of the Africa Blue Economy Week was really very informative and very exciting for UNDP, mainly because we really heard from different speakers about the importance of UNDP support to African Union, to regional economic communities, and to African Union member states. And I really liked how the member states appreciated the potential of blue economy for national and regional development. They are well aware of the importance of Africa to have a large coastline and also a diverse sector of blue economy. And again, I liked how honestly they expressed the need to strengthen the national capacity on the blue economy, especially through creating blue economy platforms so that different ministries can be engaged and private sector actors can brought in the conversations, and again, communities, especially women and youth, to benefit more from blue economy initiatives, and the voices of civil society to be heard.
I think we can acknowledge the progress from last year, as the blue economy last year was more based on the celebration of, the commemoration of the Day of Seas, African Day of Seas and Ocean. And it was also the occasion to set up the reference group, the Blue Economy Reference Group for African countries, partners, and regional economic community to be together. From that setting, this year, we start to talk about, let's say, concrete results, like the dashboards. We just have a session on the dashboard, which will be a tool for us to track and to trace the blue economy development on the continent. So I think there is small piece now putting in the puzzle. Maybe we are moving to finalize the puzzle maybe in a few years. So there is a progress, of course.
Attended the first Blue Economy Week last year, and this year, so far, the first day, number one, the program is a bit improved in a sense that more African Union and REX interaction and member state interaction is there, and also how the flow looks like. It's really improved better than last year, because last was the first one and it was a sort of experiment. But now the agenda setting, the interaction, and also the ownership by African Union owning it, leading it.
Today's first Blue Economy session has highlighted the importance of the private sector. When, of course, coming from the private sector, I really find this conversation unique and important and, of course, timely, because the private sector holds the biggest space in the blue economy sector to be able to harness and bring stronger value to the different investment spaces and opportunities that the blue economy offers. Most often, it is perceived that the blue economy is just the seas, just about the fisheries, but it goes far beyond the seas, the oceans, and the fisheries, and including the most often unmentioned blue economy potentials and ecosystem services like streams and springs and rivers, and the different activities and opportunities surrounding these ecosystem services.
It was very informative hearing about all of the various initiatives around the blue economy taking place across the continent and within the various member states.
La participation était très active au niveau des pays membres de l'Union africaine et j'ai aimé ça.